Hello students, Metals and Non-Metals Chapter 7 Standard 8. Students, last chapter we learned about elements, compounds and mixture. Now in this chapter we are going to learn the elements which are classified in three types. They are metals, non-metals and metalloids. First we see about metals. Students, you know metals like gold, silver, iron, copper, aluminium, magnesium, calcium, sodium, platinum. See, metals have luster. Metals are hard. Wire sheet can be formed from metal. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Metals lose their valence electrons to produce positive charge. First, we learn physical properties of metals. Generally, metals stay in solid state at ordinary temperature. But metals like mercury and gallium are in liquid state. See in the diagram you see mercury and gallium. They are in a liquid form but they are metals. Luster. When we clean metal vessels, light gets reflected from clean and freshly cut surface of metal and metal looks lustrous. Hardness. Generally metals are hard except sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium are metal but they are soft. They can cut easily by a knife. Ductility. Metals like gold, silver, copper, when heated, it melts and wire of these metals can be done. This property of metal is called ductility. They can form in wire form, so it is called ductility. Malleability. Iron can form thin sheet after hardening it. See, there are sheets of iron. This property is called malleability. Conduction of heat and electricity. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity like copper, steel, aluminium. You know copper is used in the electricity wires to conduct electricity. Lead is neither good conductor of heat and nor good conductor of electricity. Density. Metals have high density except sodium, potassium, lithium. They have low density than water. Melting point and boiling point. Metals have high melting point and high boiling point except mercury, gallium, sodium and potassium. Sonority. Metals are sonorous. They produce sound on striking. See the school bell or office bell. There is a sound in the metal after striking it. Non-metals like carbon, sulfur, phosphorus. They are brittle and non-lustrous. Physical properties of non-metal. See, first we see physical state. Non-metals occur as solid, liquid and gas. They are in three states: solid, liquid and gas. See, in solid state, carbon, sulfur, phosphorus are in solid state and they are non-metals. Liquid state is bromium and gaseous state it is hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. Luster. They do not have luster. Diamond and iodine are crystals. Some non-metals have color. Diamond only a lustrous form. Some non-metals have color. Carbon has black color. Sulfur has yellow color. Bromine has brown color. Brittleness. Coals, when we hammer it, form in small pieces or it is formed in powder form also, except diamond. Diamond is a carbon only but it is hard substance, diamond. Density. Non-metal have low densities. Melting and boiling point is also low in the non-metals. Ductility and malleability. Non-metals are neither ductile and not malleable because they are in brittle form, no? So they do not have ductility and malleability. Conduction of heat and electricity. Non-metals are bad conductors of heat and electricity, except graphite. It is an allotrope of carbon which is very good conductor of electricity. In non-metals, graphite is only a good conductor of electricity. Metalloids. Some elements such as arsenic, silicon, germanium, antimony have properties which are intermediate between metals and non-metals. Such elements are called metalloids. Germanium. See, germanium, chemical element between silicon and tin in group. It is a silvery grey metalloid. See the colors of metalloids: silicon, germanium and antimony. They look silvery grey metals. So half part of this chapter is over. Half part we learn in another video. Thank you.